Bendy Blackie, I'm a motorcyclist. Firstly, I just want to tell the government thank you because paying tax is very important. Because we the motorcyclists, if we pay our tax, it will help for the government to do things for it. But it's very good to pay tax, and according on my fellow colleagues, motorcyclists can get riders, at least for them to come, so we should register and to pay our tax.
I feel so happy in this because I'm a citizen and I need to contribute towards the development of Nigeria. So I feel so happy. For one part, as a citizen, it's good that anything you do in life, is to take the initiative of paying your tax to government. It is advisory to our police, our friends who are out there. I urge them that they should come, to do that, because it will come a time that you will have some level of environment in the street. Because if you don't do this, there will be no way that you'll be able to run freely in the street. So I urge them that they should come and then go the same process that we are passing through.
My name is Erika Rights. We need to particularly pay our taxes because of riding the motorbike, and through the motorbike we will pay our taxes to the road. Encouraging the people to come and register their car, get their plate, and be able to pay their taxes.
My name is Adana Ukoli, one of the motorcyclists riding in Pinville. I feel good to pay my tax to the Liberian government because when I pay my tax, they help to face roads, to pay our children wire fees, and to carry on the development in the country. I would like to encourage my friends to come and register their bike and make sure that they help in the development process of Liberia. They should not sit back there and say, I register my bike while they're riding on the road and so forth. So I'm telling my friends and colleagues of riders to come and take advantage of this bike registration so that they can be embarrassed by the law enforcement officer.
My name is Emmanuel D. Notte. Well, actually, I'm very happy for buying the plate because I've been taking long about the government asking about buying plate, riding in the country without paying tax. So I'm happy to buy the plate. I'm advising my friend and colleagues that I'm not buying the plate there to carry that plate because it will help you to have your plate because on everywhere you go, when police will ask you for your document, but if you see everything, you pass through without no process. So it's good for you to have your plate. If I don't pay my taxes, how the government will face the rule or other things then. So it's good for you to pay your taxes to the government.
I need more quality. Officially for God, and I want no embarrassment in the country now. So that's why I want to inform all the motorcyclists that everybody it will be good for us because for accident anywhere the plate will know where it's coming from. So I tell you, the whole government take you happy with you.
The coming city MCC, there is my lesson plate 258. I always encourage all my brothers to come and take their own to pay the government tax. It's so good for yourself, that your own safety first of all, not for somebody else. You pay a tax for yourself, for you to be free, for nobody to embarrass you. Because the government gets news to pay some 7 and things.